Hello, my name is Kim Hummer. Today, I'm going to be talking about what is an inventory identifier for the National Clonal Germplasm Repository at Corvallis. We will be using an example of Rugen strawberry. At Corvallis, we have genus codes. Each of our genera has a 3-letter genus code. For most genera, it is the first 3 letters of the genus name. NCGR also uses color codes for the genera. Corylus, the abbreviation is COR, Fragaria, FRA, Humulus, HUM, Mentha, MEN, Pyrus, PYR, Ribes, RIB, Rubus, RUB, Vaccinium, VAC. There are exceptions for the 3-letter abbreviation, but we'll discuss that in a separate session. For Rugen strawberry, it is Fragaria. It's a member of the genus Fragaria. When a new accession comes into the NCGR, it is assigned a C local number, a Corvallis local number. The C local number is C plus the 3-letter genus code, and then there's a number that's sequentially assigned when the plant is received. So the first letter, C, refers to Corvallis. FRA is the 3-letter genus code for Fragaria, and it just so happens that Rugen was the 66th plant to be obtained by our gene bank. The C local number then is C Fray 66. Next, we add the inventory suffix. Rugen was received as a seed lot. At Corvallis, seed lots are given 0.000 and inventory type SD to represent the seed lot. A seedling was grown from that seed lot, and it was assigned 0.001 PL. So the identity for the Rugen accession, PI number was assigned to that accession, and the number is 551508. And several inventory identifiers exist for this accession. The IVP, IVNO, IVS, and IVT. The inventory identifier for the seed lot is CFRA 66.000SD. The seedling was assigned CFRA 0.001 PL. Note that there is a one-to-many relationship between accession to inventory. One accession has one background and origin, but multiple inventories can be linked to one accession. In this case, we have the seed lot and the plant inventory identifiers. Now, say we have seedlings from that one seed lot, and we want to keep 5 of those seedlings. They could be assigned the numbers 0.001, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this case, when they're loaded to GRIN, an inventory action item should be added that those seedlings were generated from one seed lot on a particular date. There's some nuances involved in inventory decimal numbers. They can also be used for clonal reasons to represent a pathogen-tested genotype, for example. When we have virus cleanup through tissue culture, the clean clone is assigned the next available decimal number. Once the identity is confirmed, it will replace the pathogen-infected clone. To represent a genotype of a seed lot, if the seedling is representing the seed lot and not a particular clone, that is another case where we can assign an inventory number. Note that if a seedling has been evaluated and named, it deserves its own accession number, its own PI number. Suppose C. Frey 66.001 shows signs of virus. A meristem could be taken from the runner or the crown, and a new plant developed from that meristem. That new plant would need a new inventory number. Because the decimals from 1 to 5 are already used, the next available number would be C. Frey 0.006. The IV refers to in vitro. That is a different type of plant that is a code in GRIN. It should be noted that the inventory status code and in the inventory action record on GRIN, when an inventory is created. In this case, the plant was prepared from a tissue culture meristem. So in summary, seed lots are assigned this decimal, 0.000 SD. Plants are assigned decimal numbers sequentially, 0.001 PL and on up. An in vitro culture is assigned a sequential number plus IV. Note that if seedlings or subclones have selection identifiers and evaluation information, they should be granted a separate new accession number. See the training on new PI numbers. This is most applicable to tree species. If a meristem is used in a pathogen cleanup procedure, the next decimal number is assigned for the replacement plant. Inventory images and traits can be linked to the inventory identifier. And of course, the inventory identifier is IVP plus IVNO plus IVS plus IVT. Thanks for listening. We'll see you at the next session.